Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to make an anti-aging mask. The recipe and the exact measurement I use is on the screen display, so look closely in the screen display. You're going to see the recipe. So I'm going to use 6 ingredients. These are powerful ingredients full of antioxidants and some of them are humectants, and they're going to really give you a vibrant and younger looking skin. The chief ingredient in this facial anti-aging facial mask is Multani Mitti clay. Remember, I talked to you about this clay in my previous video. Okay, Multani Mitti clay, also called Fuller's Art clay, is a special anti-aging kaolin type of clay from India. It's rich in mineral and it helps to promote young and radiant skin. So if you want a lovely younger looking skin, we keep using this Multani Mitti clay. It's available at pureblendnaturals.com. Everything I use today are supplied by Pure Blend Natural. So we're going to use 10 grams of Multani Mitti clay. So weigh 10 grams of Multani Mitti clay. I'm sorry about the background noise. These are my kids. The kids are home now, so it's been a lot of noise underground. So sorry about that. So 10 grams of Multani Mitti anti-aging clay. Let me zoom this a little bit. Then the next thing we're going to add is Dead Sea mineral salt. Dead Sea mineral salt is rich in minerals and it really helps to exfoliate the skin. Okay, so Dead Sea mineral salt by Pure Blend Naturals. We're going to weigh 5 grams of Dead Sea, 2 grams of Dead Sea mineral salt. 2 grams of Dead Sea mineral salt. Then the next thing we're going to add to this is our oil. I'm going to use organic cold press sunflower oil, a non-comedogenic oil. Remember, I talked about the special oil for the face and for the whole body. So we're going to measure 5 grams of organic sunflower oil. Make sure you go for the cold press and the organic one. 5 grams of that. We're going to add into our mixture. Be careful where you buy your ingredients from, because that is going to determine the effectiveness of your face mask. Okay, don't just buy from anywhere. Buy from recommended. So we highly recommend pureblendnaturals.com. The next ingredient I'm going to use here is Glycerin USP 99.7. okay, by Pure Blend Naturals. We're going to add 5 grams of glycerin to this. 5 grams of glycerin. Then followed by a very powerful humectant. It's called Sorbitol. Okay, Sorbitol USP. We're going to add 5 grams of that also. If you want to use sugar and you don't want to use raw sugar, you can use this cosmetic grade sugar. Okay, sugar solution. So we're going to add 5 grams of Sorbitol sugar. Then finally, we're going to add a very special ingredient. This is an antioxidant you can use for cosmetic, also by Pure Blend Natural. It's called natural vitamin E. Okay, free of synthetic ingredient. It's all natural, plant derived. We're going to add 1 gram of vitamin E to this. 1 gram of vitamin E. Then at this stage, you might want to put hot water on the stove, okay, because we're going to use hot water to aid the mixing part. Okay, the mixing, we're going to use a little bit of hot water to mix it thoroughly. So first thing you want to do is mix it. I'm using a mixing stirring rod here, so mix it with the stirring rod. We are not going to add any water to this. Okay, so mix it like this. The water part is going to be, you'll be the one to add the water to it. Okay, so don't mind the mess we're going to get because we're not adding water. We're going to put this, I'm putting this in a hot water bath. I want it to help melt this nicely. Okay, with the help of it, it's going to help us melt this together. So melt it on high heat for so we're going to melt this on high heat. So after this, I'm going to turn off the mic right now, so as to prevent any distraction. We have kids at home, they're making a lot of noise now, so I'm sorry about that. So I have it in a hot water bath now. We're going to let that stay in there for at least, we're going to let it stay for at least 10. Do not add any more ingredient to it, just as you see it here, that's fine. Also we want to be able to mix it more. Please bear with me for the background noise. These are my kids. So we're going to mix it with the back of a spoon. Mix it well, let everything incorporate. It's a DIY, so there's no point adding any other excess ingredient to it. So mix as much as you can. The better it is, the stronger the spoon, the better it is. Okay, this spoon is not that strong. You can see some separation, but that's fine. That's all fine. That's all part of our face mask. Remember, this is natural. We didn't add any other ingredient. We want it as natural as possible. So now that we have it this way, don't worry about the look as if it's separating. Do not worry, that's the function of sorbitol. Sorbitol is alcohol sugar. It's naturally derived alcohol sugar. Okay, so how do you use it? Basically, if I were you, I'll just scoop it and put in any container of your choice. Okay, you can put in any container of your choice. Just make sure the container is clean. I'm going to spray my own container with isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Look in the description box below for where you can get your own rubbing alcohol. We're going to try this. Then we're going to scoop it, okay, into the clean container. Remember, when you're using the mask, it's a bit on the messy side. That's just how it is. That's the way masks are. And this is a natural, sorry about the background noise, this is natural mask. Do not allow water to get in. So how do I use it? This is your mask. It looks strange, right? But this mask works really wonderful. So take a little bit that you want to use at a time. This can stay. Let me make sure it cools down. Okay, make sure before you close it. So we're going to keep it there. This is the amount I plan to use. Okay, and this is how you're going to use it. So I want you to focus on this. Very important. This is an anti-aging mask. Okay, this is an anti-aging mask. So we're going to take a little bit of water, right? Then we're going to make it into a paste. Okay, the joy of it is turning into a paste. Remember, when we turn into a paste, we'll be able to apply properly. Okay, just apply a little water to turn into paste. Right? It's going at that time it's going to be creamy, right? The way my camera is set up, you won't be able to see my face for now until we move to a bigger place. But for now, please bear with me. I'll try my best to show you how to use it using my hand. So okay, put water into to turn into a paste. Once it turns into a paste, All right, then you can make sure your face is clean, then you can apply it in the face. Okay, apply it to a clean face in a circular manner, right? Apply it to a clean face in a circular manner. So assuming this is your face, make sure your hands are clean also. Okay, apply it to a clean face in a circular manner, and that's it. That's it. Make sure it's dry. Allow it to dry. So allow it to dry, okay, for 5 to 10 minutes. You can even leave yours for 5 minutes. If your skin is oily, you can leave it up to 10 minutes. But if you have combination skin, you can leave it up to 10 minutes also. But if your face is dry, if your skin is dry, you can only leave it for like 7 minutes. Do not exceed 7 minutes. And after that, it's going to dry off. Then you can rinse it off with lukewarm water. That's about it for our face masks, anti-aging face mask. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, drop in the comment box below. I hope you enjoyed. This is how it's going to stay for a while. This can last up to a week. Okay, you are good to go. You can use it every day. Okay, just take a little bit. Okay, mix it with water. This is not stable enough to sell. This is only for DIY. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Remember, click the subscribe button and the notification icon for my next video. If you want to learn how to make your own skincare product to sell, head over to stablecosmeticformulas.com. Thanks for watching.